Hello everyone, today I'm going to review my custom MOC Lego plane. And it looks amazing because I just finished building it not that long ago. So let's show you all the things that are part of it. And you can't see it really well, but there's a tail. I think you can see it now. This tail is really colorful. The back is also quite colorful with some brown added. Underneath, this is to hold the plane. And these are just moving around so that they stay in place and just don't come off. This is the cockpit. These are the wheels. This one just came off. It goes right there. Like this. So let's just turn this back to where it goes. And this is what it looks like from the front. You can see the wheels rolling. And also we have these lights that are at the sides, like on all planes. Then the engines were made from pieces from a Lego Batman set that I have forgotten the name of. But we got this from a Lego Batman set, and then we just add some pieces to hold this together. Just put that back before it falls off. And under here, just some designs, like here and here. And let's see this plane in action. Meow. Obviously, we can bring it back to land again. Meow. Like that. There is no inside to it, but I'll just open it so in case you really want to know what's inside. So let's see, where do we want to pop it open? Okay, right there. But as you can see, there is nothing inside. No seats, no minifigs, no anything. So let's just close it up. And that's this review done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is very important. We need subscribers. And also hit that notification bell, because then you'll know when our videos come out so that you can watch them first. And also, for those commenters down below, that'll always type down first. This is the notification bell. It's just for you. I'll see you next time. Bye!